Good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It's Ty Simone. And we are back with some more daily messages. So this message is going to be for January 21st, 2022. Message is for the collective. If you are new to our channel, oh God. Look, if you can tell, I just woke up. If you are new to our channel, we create tarot videos, we make meditation music, meditation videos, audiobooks. We're creating our very own tarot deck called Celebrate Life that features our favorite musical artist.
Probably some of your favorites too.
Yeah, so if you're interested in that sort of thing, check out our Patreon for all the behind the scenes on what's going on with that project and many more. And yeah, so let's get into today's messages. Bossy. Okay. Eight of Swords reversed.
The Six of Pentacles.
Two of Cups.
The Empress.
Oh. Ten of Wands.
Six of Wands.
That's what I thought that card was.
Yeah.
The Four of Swords.
The Prince of Swords reversed.
Sorry. The Four of Pentacles. Alright. So 6644. Okay. So, Ten of Wands is in the center of the reading. No, I know you see me. I know you see me. You're just super cute self. Okay. Ten of Wands is in the center. I feel like either you or someone else is opening themselves to the possibilities.
I feel like the Ten of Wands is in the middle, but I don't feel like you're really burdened. I just feel like a lot of people have been putting their shit on you, and you're like releasing that shit, or you know it's not yours. So like, I feel like these people are putting these burdens on you, and they're doing that because they know that your destiny is to be like successful and that you're the Empress. They know what you're capable of, so I feel like they're trying to stop you. You know what I'm saying? Like, by putting their shit on you or slow you down. Because I just don't feel like you're burdened and everything, like with the surrounding cards. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
I don't feel like this is your shit. Like, your burdens.
Yeah. I can see that. What?
The other deck.
Wow.
Spirit, why is this Ten of Wands here? Those are not your burdens. I feel like that's confirmation. I feel like the people that you're surrounding yourself with, you need to get away from. Especially if they're like negative people, like if they're not supporting you and shit, like, and if they're putting their burdens and their fears and other shit on you, you need to get away, because you're the fucking Empress and you're bound to be like successful and shit. So, what do you think?
I mean, I can see that.
Would you like to clarify something? No?
No, you can.
Let's see. Damn. Wow.
Wow.
What the fuck?
Oh, wow.
Four of Swords out twice, Six of Wands out twice, the Empress out twice, the Empress clarified the Empress.
And the title card, which to me confirms it, is you. I feel like the relationships are unbalanced. I feel like, well, with the Temperance and the Two of Cups, I feel like with the Four of Swords reversed and the Six of Pentacles, I feel like you're coming out of rest, and in coming out of rest, you're being showered with this deck. You're being showered with gifts. You're being showered with praise with the Six of Wands and the Three of Swords. And I feel like with the Three of Swords, there are people that are heartbroken about your success. So maybe, I don't really want to say jealousy, but it's more of it can be jealousy. It can be that maybe they didn't see it and now they feel dumb.
Mm-hmm.
With the Eight of Swords reversed. So I feel like people are seeing that they were wrong, or they're seeing that you were being called and they weren't being called to be the Empress. And there's some heartbreak in that situation, but I feel like you've cut off communication with these people. They might still be around you, but you've cut off communication, and in cutting off communication,
or limited or set boundaries.
Yeah, and cutting off communication, they can see that there's an issue, and then they can see that you are pretty much being blessed for, being you and doing the things that you're doing. I feel like you've been working on yourself, like you've been analyzing the situation with yourself and other people, and you're deciding on who that you're gonna fight for, who you're gonna stand up for. And I feel like it's yourself instead of these people that you've been around. I feel like, with the Four of Swords over here and the upright and then the Six of Wands reversed, I feel like again, you've been kind of contemplating on who around you has been supporting you and who has not been supporting you. And I feel like you thought about it, you meditated on it, you marinated on it, and you're deciding to let some people go that you've been holding on to with the Four of Pentacles and then the Five of Cups. Because the Four of Pentacles is about holding on to something, and then the Five of Cups is about this guy looking at his emotions, looking at his cups, trying to analyze what's going on, or crying over it essentially. So I feel like it's something that has hurt you, but you're really kind of just getting to a point where you're overburdened, and you're you don't want to be overburdened. So because you don't want to be overburdened, you're cutting them off. So let's read that. Bottom of the deck, the Hierophant reversed. So you're definitely cutting off a major partnership in your life. The Princess of Cups, the title card again, and the Nine of Swords reversed. So you're coming out of this shit essentially.
And I also feel like this reading could go like you're helping somebody see another way. Because the Four of Swords with the Six of Wands in reverse clarifying it, I kind of feel like someone who's kind of been in slumber and thinking that they can't achieve their dream. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like maybe you had a conversation and it kind of woke them up with Judgment here, you know what I'm saying, and with clarifying the Eight of Swords in reverse. Like, I feel like if there was a person around you who just kind of felt like, almost like they, or where they are, and that's just where they were going to be, and they couldn't really elevate from there, I feel like they kind of got woken up by either watching you or by
I was about to say, it's definitely by watching you, because it's like the Empress is here, and I feel like with the Empress and then the overburden and the success, I feel like people are seeing that whoever you are successful, even though you may not have, you know, like the wealth. With this being here, the Six of Pentacles is like they see that you're being blessed by people, places, and things, and that you might not have everything yourself to give, but you're being given to, and they're wondering why you're being given to and why they aren't. And then they're seeing the cutoff. I feel like they're seeing the things that you're doing, that like the fruits of your labor, and then it's making them reflect and look on themselves like, well, what have I been doing? What have I been holding on to? How can I fix my situation?
Or how can I make it better?
Yes, I see that too. More messages. Clarify the reading.
And we're also doing personal readings at this time. So if you would like clarification on a specific person, place, or thing, or situation in your life, we have information on how to reach us in the description box below.
Don't let pride get in your way.
Hey, Sydney.
Oh, Sydney's here. Good morning, Sydney.
Sydney.
Communication is key.
The answers you need are coming.
Yeah.
And then honorable mention, because it's flipped over in the deck. Look at the bigger picture, Sag energy. Full moon is Sag. Full moon is Sag. Look at the bigger picture. You know Jupiter's a ruling planet, so we go big or go home.
Girl.
Look at the bigger picture.
Don't let pride get in your way. And the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini, full moon in Leo. And I think we're in a full moon right now.
Yeah.
I don't know which one, but I think we're in a full moon right now. So yeah, that is what we have for you today, collective.
Hey guys, 2-hour delay. Oh, for school?
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, I'm cool coming to say like AC and stuff. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Well, welcome.
Yeah.
Even though we're done.
Yeah, congratulations on that 2-hour delay. Those used to feel real good back in the day.
Man, I thought that was pointless. Because I still had to go to school.
Shoot, I got some extra sleep. I was feeling good.
Barely, because you're still up.
I mean, that's true. Because you had to find out. Because we had to watch the bottom of the screen.
Again,
I
by
don't
the
know
time
what
you
y'all
watch
gotta
the
do.
bottom of the
Yeah.
screen, well, yeah, damn.
Shit.
Ooh.
I have to sit there and watch and wait, and then it would definitely be over. I would just be up. But I would just watch some more
They
TV.
do that now. They probably get text messages.
Yeah, they probably get, yeah. Shit.
But yeah, that is what we have for you today, collective. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And until next time, tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., we will see you then. You are truly legendary, and we love you. Later, Sydney.
Later, Sydney.
And later, everybody else. So, yeah.